good evening, or good night. Alright, I am your professor's son. I googled 1806 quickly. So I get the first result is here. I go to your syllabus and lecture summaries, and I go to code. No, I don't. Yeah, I do. And I go to HW0. So now I will click on www.juliabox.com and I'd like to open that in a new tab to keep my old tab. I'll log in with Google. Gonna use my father's account, and I'm gonna launch it. Oh, it's launched by itself. I'm gonna ignore that because that was me doing something before. And here, I'll take this. And so what I do here is, I go up here, I right-click it, and I save link as, and now here it is, pset00.ipynb. I'm going to save it. Comes down here. I'm going to go right into JuliaBox, take it, and drag it right here. Upload. And I click here. And what I took was just the viewer and put it right here. So here I can do my questions. So my first question is take 1 plus 1 and shift enter. I'm going to wait for a second. And it's 2. So I've done steps 2 and I did step 3. So I'll type my name right here. You type your name. There we go. Oh, not there. You type it here. I'm not in a recitation, so I'm in recitation 142. I like that number. This is weird syntax. Probably should be marked down, so I'm going to do it. Oh no! Uh-oh. How do I put it in markdown?
Escape M.
Escape M.
And then hit enter.
And then hit enter. So why am I taking it? What excites... Well, I'm taking 1806 because I would very much like to learn machine learning, and this is a good prereq for that. And I hear machine learning is a way to get a lot of money. I'm going to fix that up. I am not taking 1806. Let's go and see this. It wants me to... Oh, it's loading. What does it want? Wants type and execute the commands on page 1. Oh, this is page 1. Oh, here's page 1. Vectors. I'm going to take that, copy and... x equals... Gonna go to number 2. Put that in. Gonna do number 3. And I'm gonna go to number 4. So I've done all that. So now I have to save it as a PDF. So File, Save As. No, that's not what I want to do. I'll go to print. That's not print. Oh, ha. File, print, preview. I'm gonna just do Command P because this is confusing. Gonna change that to save as PDF. Going to save it. Gonna call it pset0.pdf. So now I'm gonna go to grade scope. Login. I don't know. Gonna let my father put this one in.